Hello friends, Kevin here, and Fortnite has just come out with a pair of shoes. That's right, Fortnite has paired up with Adidas to drop these bad boys, and we picked both of them up for you, the people. But also mostly for us. These things are sick! In this video, you'll see us unbox these things, and heck, I'm gonna even put on the Peely shoes. So, for everybody that was using our epic creator code Kevin and Kat in the Fortnite item shop, ba-boom! Thank you so much. We appreciate it. We buy silly things like this all the time on the channel, and we even got our own merch, like this out-of-office fish shirt. Now, on to the unboxing. The boxes here absolutely scream style. Adidas and Fortnite collab. On the side, you get the Crown Victory Royale, and on the other one, you get a half-open Peely. The Peely box is adorned with a sticker that says Nana on top of it, and the second that you open it, you're greeted with a nice little Adidas Fortnite shoe bag. And this thing's huge, and feels very, 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 very premium feeling. High quality packaging, and it's time to pull out the shoe. Look at this. Oof. These Ultraboosts are not just stylish. They're also extremely comfortable. And once you peel back the peel a little bit, there's a little secret inside of it. Now you can unzip the peel. We're not going to do that. We're going to keep them peeled forever. But you could. And the soles are see-through. And just say, Nana. Inside the shoe you can see Peely's guts, and there's a secret Peely right underneath the peel. Now, onto the Crown Victory Royale Ultraboosts. Inside, you get that premium red Adidas Fortnite bag. And this thing, whew, the gold lettering, the gold pull string, that is premium. We're going to open up this wrapper here and see what's inside. There they are. That gold is so shiny. And that there on the back, that's a clip-on, so that you can put your loot llama right on the back. Crown Victory Royale. Question for you that are watching at the moment, how many Crown Royales do you have this season? Kat's pushing 50-something at this point. I only have about 4. Correction, she has 70 Crown wins. Now let's put on the Peely shoes. Stylish? Yes. Comfortable? Also yes. The little Nana zips? Oh, those are neat. Will I ever wear these unpeeled? Never. These things look incredible. You can wear them with absolutely anything. Heck, take a look at this. You shy? Woo! These things look fire when you're shy. So there you have it. Our little review of the Fortnite shoes. For more food, travel, gaming, and more, give us a subscribe. And we live stream Fortnite with each and every single one of you guys 4 days a week. So make sure to add us. Bye for now.